Can you factorize cubic equation?
With this one, because they didn't give us any root, it means that we are going to look for a root first, right? We are going to look for a root first. So the first root, I'm going to start by checking 1, and then if 1 doesn't work, I'll go to -1, right? Okay, so if I check 1, it's going to be 1 to the 3 minus 6 into 1 to the 2 plus 11 into 1 minus 6. So if I can punch this into the calculator, what do you get? This 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. So this and this is 12, this and that is -12, so it is 0, right? So it means that 1 is our root, right? So if 1 is our root, how do I write it as a factor? As a factor is x minus 1, right? That is our factor, right? So now I will write this equation. I'll firstly write it as the whole is x to the 3 minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. So our root is what? Our root is x minus 1. So I'm going to write y equals to x minus 1. And then on this other factor, remember, the first one is going to be x to the 3 divided by x, which is going to give us x squared. Right, and then in between here I will use mx. All right, and then the last term is going to be -6 divided by -1, which is going to be +6. So it's going to be plus 6 there. All right, so if this one now we are here, now we can easily factorize. How do we factorize? How do we find our m? Our m will come and look at the coefficient of x squared, which is -6. So what where do we get an x squared from these two? Is when I multiply this and this, so it gives me mx squared, and then when I multiply these two, it gives us -1x squared, right? So it means that this m and this one, m minus 1 should give me -6, right? So to solve for m is going to be m is equals to -6 plus 1. So our m is going to be -5. So which means that the equation of y is going to be y equals to x minus 1 and then x squared minus 5m plus 6, right? So there we are. So it means that I need to factorize this trinomial here to fully factorize my equation. So it's going to be y equals to x minus 1 and then is x minus 3 and minus 2, right? Minus 3 and then x minus 2. So there we are.
Link for a YouTube full video with full explanation on comment section.